Welcome everyone. I'm your instructor from myTOEFL, and today we are going to master the build a sentence task. We'll start by analyzing a context sentence to understand the logical flow, and then we'll piece together scrambled words to form a grammatically perfect response. Let's get started. If you want to sharpen your writing skills even further, be sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more daily practice. Let's keep working together to reach your dream score. Ancient traders traveled across the Silk Road. The context sentence introduces ancient traders who navigated a famous historical route. Logically, we should expect the next sentence to describe the specific goods they carried or the nature of their commerce. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's build this sentence word by word. First, we place the subject pronoun they. Next, we need the action, so we drag the verb exchanged. Then we add the first item traded, silk. We need a connector, so we place and. Then we add the second item, spices. Next, we use the preposition for. Then we add the descriptive word silver. Finally, we finish with the noun coins. Norway is famous for its deep coastal fjords. The sentence establishes that Norway is known for its unique geography. We are looking for a sentence that provides a more vivid description of the landscape surrounding those fjords. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. To solve this, we start with the adjective steep. Then we place the subject mountains. Next, we need the verb, so we drag rise. Then we add the adverb directly. Next, we use the preposition from. Then we place the article the. Then we add the first adjective cold, followed by the second adjective blue. Finally, we place the noun water. Our university offers several intramural sports programs. This sentence mentions sports programs available on campus. In the next part, we expect to see details about who participates and the frequency of these activities. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's organize this step by step. First, we place the quantifier many, then we drag the subject students, next we need the verb play, then we add the adjective competitive, then we place the noun soccer. Next we add the frequency word every, then we place Friday. Finally, we add the noun knight. Medieval knights wore heavy armor for protection. The context focuses on medieval knights and their equipment. The following sentence should logically describe where these individuals performed their duties or who they were protecting. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We will build this carefully. First, we place the demonstrative these, then the subject soldiers. Next, we drag the verb defended, then the article the, then we place the object king. Next, we add the preposition inside. Then another article the, then the adjective stone. Finally, we place the noun castle. The Ganges River is sacred to many people. The sentence identifies the Ganges River as a significant landmark. We should anticipate the next sentence describing the river's geographical path or where it eventually leads. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's construct the sentence one word at a time. First, we place this, then the subject river. Next, we drag the verb flows. Then we add the preposition through, then the location India. Next, we use the preposition into. Then the article the, then the adjective Indian. Finally, we place the noun ocean. The Career Center hosts mock interview sessions. The context sentence highlights mock interview sessions provided for students. We should look for information regarding the skills students develop or the types of challenges they prepare for. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Watch as we place each word. First, we drag the subject students. Then the verb learn. Next, we add how, then the infinitive marker to, then the base verb answer. Then we add the adjective difficult, followed by the adjective professional. Finally, we place the noun questions. The gold rush began in California in 1848. The prompt mentions the historical gold rush in California. It is logical to expect the following sentence to describe the movement of people who were hoping to strike it rich. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's move the words into place. First, we drag thousands, then the preposition of, then the noun minors. Next, we place the verb traveled, then the direction west, then the infinitive marker to, then the verb find. Finally, we place the noun fortune. Alumni donate money to support new student scholarships. The context explains how alumni support student scholarships. We should anticipate a sentence that explains the specific financial benefits these contributions provide for the students. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Here is the final sentence construction. First, we place these, then the adjective generous, then the subject gifts. Next, we drag the verb help, then the base verb pay, then the preposition for, then the adjective undergraduate, then the noun tuition. Finally, we place the noun fees. To succeed in the build a sentence task, always start by identifying the main subject and verb pair. Use the context sentence to predict the logical direction of the answer. Finally, pay close attention to the placement of adjectives and prepositions to ensure the sentence is grammatically sound.